Hey, how are you? Calling to all slot technicians all over the world, right, guys? Cleaning of counting machine is just not just blowing away the dust. Okay, for the board, yes, of course, you just have to blow because if you use the brush, so it might be one of the components is also affected while you are brushing that one, especially if your brush is with the metal and then the sensor, you just have to blow. So you look at that, a lot of dust, right? So the rulers, guys, you have to brush especially the bearing, both sides of the bearing. So from here I stayed a long time. It takes about 3 minutes to clean all the rollers. Yeah, to have a consistent functions of all the rollers while spinning all the bills. So you have to clean everything, all the rollers, the bearings, the side rollers. But yeah, of course, you just have to use the smooth brush, not the big ones. So that's the sample that I use. Okay, especially those daily usage. So like it takes like about 24 hours operation, especially. See, it's very useful, that brush. It's a plastic brush but a smooth brush. Alright guys, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and of course hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified to all my upcoming videos. So we will having an uploads of this regarding the slot machines setups, how to run clear in every manufacturer. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Just stay tuned my channel and of course share our video. You just have to leave a comment if you want something as assistance regarding the slot machines, shuffle masters, and of course the counting machine. Okay, so then after you do the brush, of course you have to blow again to remove all the dust. Yeah, all right.